hope you all are happy and healthy. If you all are also getting bored, then this video is absolutely for you. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a very simple and elegant dream catcher wall hanging. I hope all the material required would be handy to you. So let's begin. Stay tuned till end. This is the final look of the wall hanging. I hope you guys found the video helpful and useful. If so, do share and like the video. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you stay tuned with us whenever we upload a new video. You can also comment us to give us ideas for our next video. We'll catch you soon on our next video. Stay at home, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.